Hi everyone, this is just a short video to see what's to do on this blue DT I've been fixing up. If you've been watching my videos, I'll try and go through the things what I've got to do before we can do it, and then be taking it out tomorrow for a drive. I've got to get that painted silver. That tyre there, I've got a brand new road tyre, so I'm going to put that on. Just saves driving about with a knobbly on. I've just put that bottle on. Got to set the air screw and it turns as well. I've just put a petrol tap seal kit in there. I think that cable's kinked there and it goes right up, so I'm going to try and get that down there somehow and have it not kinked. I've got it written down what else needs done. Just have a quick look. The water pump casing was leaking. I'll show that in a minute. The tank on that side is dented and needs painted. But Super Call Sunday, he does DTs, he's done a canny few of them. He's a mint painter. He's going to do that. So if you check his channel, you'll see his work. He's good at doing stuff like that. He fixes cars and that with dents in and that. Accident repair stuff. So give him a watch of his videos and subscribe. He's got a good DT on the go, like getting done on his videos now. I've got the seat cover to go on. All these panels are brand new. If you've watched the other videos when I've been building it up over the last couple of months. Pro tape handlebars with the risers on. You can see them there, them blue things. New mud guards, new plastics. Let's say just the tank, but I'm sending it down to call. Just have a look at my list. Bought a road legal tyre. I need a long petrol cap. I'll order one of them tonight if I remember. And then that's it. Had a leak. Oh, it's just saying there on my book. It had a cheek check. It had a leak. Water check, and there's no gasket. 11 must mean the air screw under there. What I've just pointed out before. I'll have a look for some other things. Or if you watched me last video last night, this is a new casing, but the state of what was in it. The stator I tried was mine, and it's upstairs somewhere. But at least when you're building one up, if you've got a couple of stators lying about, you can check them. What else it needs? What I'm missing? Both chain rollers. New disc. It's a bit dusty. New back tyre on that. New pads. The proper dtre electric start one. Swinging arm, because normal DTs have got two things there with two nut holes in for the metal barrel that comes up here. That's all smooth. So what else I need to do? I need to connect the battery up, but it starts now. It'll probably start off the button if I tried it. What was it doing under there? Thing. Yeah. Need a bolt in there as well. Cap in there. I'll see if there's any full tanks on eBay. I bought a cap from Fowler's, but it doesn't fit. I was going to try and make one, but I don't know what to make one out of. new motorbike battery. I see, tank will be a way to get painted. Let's see what else I need there. Front puncture. I'm putting the new road bike tyre on it anyway, the road legal tyre. It's got pro taper bars, handles, grips, and the risers. Clock strap there. Pro taper grips. They're one-off hand guards. If you watch the other videos, what I've made of it, you'll see it with the instructions, because they didn't make them for the dtre, the electric start models. They just made them for that DT. And they fit perfect. I've left that off, that nut through there, because if you watch my video when I said how to earth the restrictor, first of all, I'm going to drive it with that, so that's still not earthed to the frame, so it's not restricted. I'll just tape it back so it doesn't hit metal, and drive it and record the speed, and then I'll earth it somewhere like that, maybe it's where it's bare metal, if it would reach. So I'll pull out. I'll put it on there, or maybe it's on there. It should work on there. And then I'll test the speed when that's earthed, because when it's earthed it's faster apparently. But I've just been told there's something to this servo motor. It doesn't turn the servo motor as fast. So when your power valve drops back and turns that way, it's just going slow, or just goes to a certain distance. But I don't really notice, because I just disconnect it and just poke a bar through there and lock it so the power valve's locked. But anyway, that was just what I've got to say about it. I'll stop the talking now. So I'm going to get that white wheel off, put the new road bike tyre on. Oh, and I'll just have to quickly show this. This is what I was going to show as well, just before I forget, because I was nearly finished there. I've just took that off to see, because I bought the bucket there in case it leaked. But check there, look, I must have forgot to put the gasket on somehow, which I don't know how I've done that, but still looking clean. I'm just doing this video, just that's that one and that indicator, that side and that left side, and I'm just going to show that right side, and that's it, that right side indicator with a flash. Hazard lights, that's the hazards up there. That one's on, that one's on. Oh, the batteries come off. There, them two's on at the front. The back two's on. It just went off there because of the battery come off there. I haven't tightened it up yet because I've been clotting on with it. So watch, knock the hazard lights off. That's them off. Front brake. Front brake. Back brake. Back brake's working. That little light always comes on. Got them lights on. Power valve motor works if you listen when I turn the key on off. And that's how you set them as well. When it's like that, but turn it off, then turn the key. When that top bit there, how it's got a little lip in the black bit, you push something through there to keep that steady, and it keeps your power valve open fully. But you've got to disconnect the 4-terminal plug on your power servo motor, and there's a little red and white wire. Pull that apart as well, and keep something in to keep that still, and that's your bike full power. That's all I'll mention actually. Oh, I'll just show this. Quickly do this. And that's the water pump casing, and there's no gasket on it. There's some black scraped off gasket there, but I don't know how that's happened. We be for sale. If anybody's watched my other videos, just have a look through and you'll see everything I've done. So all Yamaha gaskets in it, new rollers, new everything, new clutch basket, new starter motor, different front sprocket, engine painted, brakes painted and rebuilt, both ones, new chain guard, new back wheel off a WR with a wavy disc, back pads all around, brake pads all around. That I rebuilt that, both master cylinders actually, that one and the one in the front brake. You'll see it on my videos. Bought them, bought the 2 levers, the handlebars and the risers, and this pad was already on. Well, that's what kind of handlebars are. I'll push the pad button later. I rebuilt the forks, bottom legs are painted, front wheel's a good one. Top yokes have been painted, I think, I can't remember, but it's still clean. New side panel on that side, new back mudguard. That side panel is down there behind the seat. The seat needs covered, which is down there. And the new legs what were painted. Put new seals in and oil to the correct level. New headlight panel. Brand new front mudguard. Taking that tyre off, but it's a good one. new foot pegs. New everything really, new piston. Carb was rebuilt. Chain runner, chain slider. Probably yamaha ones. There it is there. Them rollers I've just shown them before, but just something I started with. New indicators all around, brand new ones. Couldn't find second hand ones, I would have just got them. But they look better when they're new. They just need taped up, whatever that is. So do these, because I've just put the front mud, back mud guard on today. Don't know if I've said at the beginning of the video I need a cap for that. Fowler sent one out, but it's a plastic thing, it doesn't even fit. I've tried to fit other ones, but they don't fit. Water pump casing. There's no sign of black gasket there. There would be a sign of black gasket there if it had snapped off, but it hasn't. I must have forgot to put it in somehow, for some reason anyway. So if I haven't got a gasket lying about, I'll have to wait for one coming. But if I've got one, I'll just hire a cheap one in. I should have one. But anyway, that's what I've got to do now, what I've just been through. Put that tyre on. Hopefully look for a water pump. Gasket. Put the casing back on with a rod. Pipe on the other side. Mud exhaust back on. And then I'll be taking it out tomorrow for a test drive.